Prepare to be mesmerized as we dive into the world of most satisfying factory machines and ingenious tools. From precision engineering to seamless automation, these marvels of technology will leave you in a very amazement. So let's get started. First of all, see this amazing tool to clean the drain. This machine applies beads at very high speed to decorate clothes. This machine is pulling the material laid on the ground floor. This machine is very useful to make food for chickens. It can grind and mix all the pulses. To make better grips on tire, this worker is using this tool very satisfyingly. Here is the complete setup to remove the frozen ice from the ground. This worker is doing amazing trick with the help of this pressure cooker. Plastic sheets are placed into this die to get converted into the desired shapes. Removing the extra layer from the hot tool. This tractor is making beds in the field very easily. Packing of toothpicks. This worker is cutting the extra part of the wood from this table. Amazing technique to stop the galleries. This machine is used to make and collect the bricks. A potato is put inside the stick and then the machine makes chips from this. A very good idea to distribute the manure in the field equally. Making of spring coils of metals. This is very powerful hydraulic shredder machine. It can eat any metal very easily and very fastly. This machine has a very fast air blow pressure. Boxes are put on the bales for fast and easy transportation. Rust on the iron metal can be removed very easily and very fastly. This worker makes very good looking big pillar from this stone. Iron chains are made in this way. Cutting of tiles very satisfyingly. This laser light is very strong. Amazing tool for getting 4 parts of a single wood. This machine is very useful to removing the accumulated snow on the road. Expanding and pulling the iron nut with this amazing tool. With the help of this amazing tool, you can lift a lot of bricks at once. Smart people. Smashing of aluminium foil. You can print on the phone batteries by putting them inside this tool. Very smart furniture. Cutting of red wood with this sharp tool. This machine works to break big stones into small stones. Sugar processing. This worker is removing the extra part of the foam. Clouds are being painted by these blue lines. Welding on iron rods. This machine is very powerful and useful to cut the edges of the tires. Very satisfying spray painting on the pillar. Next video.